Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO F23 and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. So at first, open the settings. Then find and select users and accounts and click on add account. Select Google. And now enter your email address or phone number. Tap on next. And provide the password. Let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on next. Here tap on the proper option, so if this device is yours, just leave this first icon active, and if it's for your kid, tap on the below one. Let me choose the first one. Here we've got all the agreements, and if you do agree, just click on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, your account has been added. You can smoothly use it, and then whenever you want to remove this account, click on it, tap on more icon then, and select remove account. And if you truly want to do it, just confirm it by tapping on remove account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.